our faces, you must think, yeah, but Joe and Skippy has a lekker life. Well, it's true. We want to show you that you can live the fullest life with a 9-to-5 job.
Hello explorers, welcome to this week's video. So in my opinion, to travel this far for a normal weekend doesn't really work out, but seeing that we have a long weekend in our hands, we decided to go to Marloth Park. But on the way there, we want to pass through a town we have never been to before, so we'll see you over there.
So Marloth Park is around 416 kilometers from Pretoria, about 5 hours drive, and we'll show you why we chose Marloth Park for this weekend. It's really where you become one with nature. Welcome to Kaapschehoop in Mpumalanga. This is really a nice detour. It's a small town and the weather is quite gloomy, so it went from sunglasses to a dawn jacket in this. And this town is established in 1882 if I'm correct. Beautiful little town. So we grabbed a cappuccino and a Milo at one of the local restaurants. Worth the visit, and let's continue to Marloth Park.
Apparently this town is famous for the wild horses, so there's actually quite a few here. There's some there at the back as well. This is pretty cool.
And welcome to my Adventure Bush Manor right here in Marloth Park. Link will be in the description again, and thank you so much for Lekkeslaap for never disappointing. So we have a 3-bedroom, 3 ensuite bathroom, a braai on the stoop, a bush boma braai, and our own private splash pool. But yes, we're getting tired of this reality TV voice, so let's show you in 3, 2, 1.
I know, feeding the animals up close and personal is an awesome experience. But remember, they are still wild animals, and if you're not careful, they can hurt you. I'm pretty sure if you are from South Africa, you have seen the video of the big kudu bull hitting the guy in the face with his horns after he tried to touch him. So feed them, but keep your distance or have something between you and the animals. Explorers, please don't feed the animals bread as it blows up in their stomachs and is very unhealthy for them. Rather buy some carrots or feed them game pellets that you can buy at Ingwe supermarket, as you will see later in this video. Isn't this just incredible? The most amazing thing about Marloth Park is only this fence separates you from the Kruger National Park, so you can drive all along this fence and spot some wild animals. The road along the fence is awesome, but I would not advise driving it with a normal vehicle. You will need something or some ground clearance. Normal vehicles can drive on the road about 40 meters away from the fence and still stop and enjoy the view from the benches. So Marloth Park is roughly 3,000 hectares and it's built in a U shape. So the main road that leads through from gate 1 to 2 is a tar road, but all the other access roads are dirt roads, but it's easy accessible with a normal car. So on the main road in Marloth Park there's two main shopping centers. The Marloth Safari Park that has a fuel station, a Mozambican restaurant and a Spar Save More. And then the Bush Center has an Ingwe supermarket. There's also the Boss restaurant and there's also a water play park for the kids. So we're on our way to the Spar Save More to go get some more carrots for the animals. This is why we love Marloth Park. Just look at the elephants. This blue wildebeest was not enjoying the company of the banded mongoose, and it was hilarious watching him trying to chase them away with endless entertainment, I'm telling you. Good morning guys, we had a nice super slow morning and then didn't watch the clock, so we had to rush to hand back the keys in time. So I would rate this place 8.5 out of 10. The main road is a little bit noisy, but everything in the house is fine, everything worked perfect. It was nice to feed all the animals off of the stoop, so this is definitely a place you can visit.
So if you want to do weekends like this, save more, eat 2-minute noodles in the evenings, leave the takeout and save your money. Spoil yourself with a weekend getaway. It is so good for the soul. And remember guys, live your fullest life and explore more. See you in the next one.